All right, guys, we're going to take a look at another way of doing a whole number divided by a decimal number. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at using your really extensive fraction knowledge to make this a little easier. Now, this may seem like it has a lot of steps, but once you get used to it, the steps are actually quite easy, and there's a quick acronym to help you remember what to do. So the acronym we're going to be working with today is FADE. F stands for fraction, because I just told you we were turning it into a fraction. So step one, take your division problem and turn it into a fraction, because remember, division is a fraction. That's what these are. So we are doing 9 divided by 3/10. Okay, that's what we're doing for our first step. All I did is wrote it out as a fraction. Now, next step, okay, is our A. For A, we have away with decimals. Okay? Away with the decimals. So to do that, we use an equivalent fraction. So I want to get rid of this 3/10. So the easiest way to get rid of that is to multiply it. Now to multiply, to get rid of, I'm going to multiply it either by 10, 100, or 1,000, some multiple of 10 to get rid of it. So to get rid of tenths, I can just multiply it by 10. Now, it needs to say equivalent. So whatever I multiply the bottom by, I need to multiply the top by as well. We practiced that for a long time. So 9 times 10 is 90, and 3/10 times 10 is 3. So, because remember, all we really technically have to do is move the decimal point like that when we multiply by 10. So now we move on to step D. So fraction, away with the decimal. Now I actually just divide it. So we've got 90 divided by 3. All right, so 90 being divided by 3. Let's see. I know that 3 times 3 is 9, so 30 times 3 is 90. Nothing left over. That's my end answer. So I know that I have 30 left over. Now the E is for equivalent. This step we didn't have to worry about this time. If you end up still having some sort of fraction here, so if this had a remainder, okay, and we had something left over, we want to make sure that we turn it back into a decimal at the end. You don't want to have a problem that starts off with decimals ending in fractions, because I know that's never going to be an answer choice. This, thankfully, worked out nice and evenly, so it's already done as it is. Okay, we'll take a look at another one in just a minute.